Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum. In this video, we are going to continue with rule of partial derivatives. Now, we look at example 5. Given fxy equals to 2xy squared over 1 minus y squared. Find fx and fy. Fx here means partial derivative with respect to x. And we treat y as a constant. Fy is a partial derivative with respect to y, and we treat x as a constant. Alright, first we look at how to find fx. Fx means the partial derivative with respect to x. To avoid confusing, we put variable x at the back, and we separating variables and constant. Okay? And to avoid error, we can write variable x in different colors. Okay? We treat y as a constant. We just imagine y is a number like 2 or something. Okay? So let's say if we substitute 2 into variable y here, so we get 2 squared times 2, so equals to 8, which is constant. And if we substitute 2 here, so we get 2 squared. 1 minus 4 equals to negative 3. So means here, when we replace y equals to 2, we will get negative 8 over 3, which is also constant. Alright? Then we can find fx. When we have multiplication by constant, we just keep the constant in front after we differentiate. Right? Then we differentiate variable x. Okay, equals to 1, and we put here. Okay? So the final answer equals to 2y squared over 1 minus y squared. Okay? This is the answer when we differentiate f with respect to x using partial derivative. Okay? It looks so simple because we treat y as a constant when we solve partial derivative with respect to x. Okay? Now we look at how to find fy. Right? Fy means the partial derivative with respect to y. So when we find the partial derivative with respect to y, to avoid confusing, we put variable y at the back. Okay, and we separating variables and constant. Okay, and we can write terms containing variable y or function containing variable y in different color like this. Okay. And we treat x as a constant. We just imagine x is a number like 1 or something. Let's say we replace 1 into variable x here, so we get 2 times 1, which is equals to 2, which is also constant. Right? And then, when we find fy, we have multiplication by constant here. So, we just keep the constant in front after we differentiate. Right? And then, from here, we have division of function with variable y. Means we have variable y in numerator and denominator. Okay? So, we need to use quotient rule to differentiate. Okay? When we use quotient rule, we need to identify u and v. U equals to the function in numerator, which is y squared. And v equals to the function in denominator, which is 1 minus y squared. Then we differentiate y squared with respect to y, because now we want to find the partial derivative with respect to y. So when we differentiate y squared, we get 2y. Okay? And then we differentiate v. So we have v prime. And we differentiate 1 minus y squared. Differentiate 1, constant equals to 0. Okay, no need to write. And then we differentiate y squared, so we get negative 2y here. Okay, and after that, we substitute into quotient rule formula. So when we differentiate y squared over 1 minus y squared with respect to y using quotient rule vu prime minus uv prime over v squared. So we have v times u prime. So we cross multiply here. So we get 2y times 1 minus y squared. And then minus, okay. And then we have minus here. So minus means plus, okay. So we get 2y and then times y squared equals to 2y cubed. The symbol here is plus because minus here multiplied by negative 2y here. So we get plus here, right? And then we substitute into here. Okay, so we get 2y and then 1 minus y squared plus 2y cubed over v squared means 1 minus y squared bracket squared. Alright? Okay, after that we can simplify. We have 2x here. Okay, and then we expand. So we get 2y and then minus 2y cubed and then plus 2y cubed. Okay, over 1 minus y squared and then bracket squared. So after we simplify, we get 2x here means 2x over 1. And then we can simplify this. So we have 2x over 1 times 2y over 1 minus y squared bracket squared. So after we simplify, we get 4xy over 1 minus y squared bracket squared. So this is the final answer when we find the partial derivative with respect to y. Okay, to find fy in this case, we need to use quotient rule because there are division function containing variable y. In this case, finding fy is harder compared to finding fx in the previous slide, right? Coming up next, rules of partial derivatives. If you like this video, you can subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Bye. Assalamualaikum.